Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're soaring high with two epic drones. The Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S and the Lee Idea Brushless motor drone. If you're ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level, buckle up because we're about to dive into the ultimate drone showdown. The Holy Stone HS360S swoops in at a cool $209. On the other hand, the Lee Idea Brushless motor drone is more budget-friendly at just $89. Reviewers note that while the Holy Stone may be pricier, it offers a range of features that justify the cost. Meanwhile, the Lee Idea is praised for being an affordable entry point into the world of drones. The Holy Stone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor, capturing stunning 3,840 by 2,160p photos and videos. Reviewers love the quality, especially for real estate photography. Meanwhile, the Lee Idea drone features a Sony Sensor 4K camera with a 4096 by 2160 resolution. Despite some reviewers mentioning issues with scratched lenses, the camera quality is generally praised. Both drones offer impressive 4K capabilities, but the Lee Idea might just have a slight edge in resolution. The Holy Stone HS360S boasts an impressive 10,000 feet long-range transmission and a 20-minute flight time. Reviewers appreciate its GPS functionality for stable flights and easy returns. On the other hand, the Lee Idea offers a more modest range of over 1,000 feet, but also supports a combined 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Some reviewers noted issues with battery life and control, but others found it adequate for casual use. The Holy Stone HS360S is praised for its beginner-friendly features like optical flow positioning and intelligent recording modes. Reviewers find it easy to fly, even in windy conditions. Meanwhile, the Lee Idea offers headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, and gesture control. Users appreciate its simplicity, but note some issues with control responsiveness. The Holy Stone HS360S is lightweight, less than 250 grams, meaning no FAA or remote ID registration is needed. Reviewers love its portability and ease of transport. The Lee Idea drone, with its foldable design and carrying case, is also praised for being easy to transport. However, some users have reported issues with durability, such as broken legs upon arrival. Overall, the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S is highly recommended for beginners and experienced users alike, praised for its stability, advanced features, and excellent camera quality. On the other hand, the Lee Idea Brushless motor drone is appreciated for its affordability and ease of use, though it has some reported issues with durability and control responsiveness. All right, smart shoppers, it's decision time. Holy Stone HS360S with its advanced GPS, stunning camera, and long-range capabilities? Or the Idea Brushless motor drone with its budget-friendly price, obstacle avoidance, and easy-to-use controls? Drop your pick in the comments below and let us know which drone you think wins this aerial battle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, always buy smart. Product links are in the description.